Welcome, this is our Project 3, Objects in the Rearview Mirror. As you can see, it's a one-tab project. Everything you need is on this visualization. On the left, you can find the filters. These filters apply to the whole dataset. For example, right now we are seeing Illinois for year 2009. We can define a new filter clicking on Select and selecting, for example, only the events that happened on a sunny day. Submit will submit the query. It takes a few seconds to compute the data, get it from the internet, and show it updated on the map. In this case, this bar chart does not have a lot of meaning because it's printing events based on their weather, and we only selected sunny events. Therefore, let's change it to a different plot. For example, month. This makes much more sense. We can see that usually sunny crashes happen more during the summer periods. We can also see the events per capita. This means that events get scaled by the number of people in that state. So if we click per capita, we can see the number of events that happen per each person in the state. On the top, we have Illinois. On the bottom, we have Alaska, in this case. You can also change the second state so that you can easily compare different states. For example, Arkansas. And maybe if you put the same x-axis, in this case month, the comparison is more meaningful. We have a cool feature that it's the aggregation of events on the map. As you can see, the map is completely dynamic. You can drag it around, and the clustering updates in real time. The clustering signifies what is written in the legend on the top. In this case, green clusters are accidents where alcohol was involved, red when alcohol was not involved, and black when we don't know. Each pie chart, of course, defines the percentage of the number of accidents for each category. If we zoom in by double-clicking or by clicking the plus button, we can see that the clusters more or less transform into single events. In this case, we can click on an event and see details for this event in a pop-up panel. Let's get back to our initial state. We can also change the color code. For example, in this case, we are showing alcohol involvement, but we can also switch to, let's say, weather. We can see that most crashes happened on sunny days in general. There's a nice feature, Events, that will provide us with a list of events that happened in the last few years. And if we select an event, for example, Michigan changes speed, we will have a small description of the event in the event panel, and also all the filters, pie charts, and bar charts will update to show that particular event in history and to show how it affected the number of crashes in that period. Thank you.